The Green River case is the most unusual case, I think, in the history of this country.
Explorer scouts have found the remains of another human body buried on a wooded hillside near Seattle.
You're talking about 60, 70, possibly 80 victims. There were 2 victims that contained bodily fluids left behind by someone who had a sexual encounter with them. Those samples today would be immediately tested for DNA, but back in 1982, DNA was an unknown technology. With the investigation not making any progress, there was a decision finally made in the late 80s to begin to downsize the task force. You had victims' families who were angry. They were disappointed in us. They were critical of us. They felt that we didn't care.
Advances in technology helped solve this case, no doubt about it.
In 2001, the Washington State Patrol Crime Lab came on board with the STR-PCR technologies that can analyze really minimal samples. It was really a breakthrough in forensic DNA analysis.
Before we started using PCR, we had to have a stain that was relatively large. PCR allows us to take small amounts of DNA and copy regions of it over and over and over again until we have more copies of that particular area of the DNA that we're interested in.
In early 2001, I sent the samples to the lab and asked them to analyze the material. We felt this could be the last chance we got with this evidence.
We started with the girls found in the Green River. On some of the autopsy evidence, the swabs, they were completely taken off of the sticks and used in past technologies. We had limited sperm come off those sticks, but enough to generate a male profile from 2 of the victims. We had the same male profile from another victim in a separate crime scene, but we didn't know who it was. We had reference samples collected from potential suspects in the past. Those reference samples were run. One of them matched that of the evidence from the Green River victims.